So dito gumamit tayo ng double number 1 and number 2 na variable and char OP. So dito nag-cout tayo ng enter first number which is yung magiging output niya. Tapos yung cin which is yung i-input mo na number. Then cout niya is enter an operation. Pipili kang addition, subtraction, multiplication, or addition. Tapos yung C niya is yung OP which is yung ginamit nating variable sa char. Tapos cout, second number, yung output natin sa second number natin, and yung cin number 2 which is yung variable na ginamit natin para ma-input yung number dun sa. So dito gagawin tayo ng if else if. So, dito sa if OP is equals to addition, sa cout mo is yung result, yung number 1 plus number 2. Tapos yung magiging result niya is yung number na i-input mo sa number 1 and number 2. Tapos dito naman sa else if is yung subtraction na ganun din is pag in-input mo yung number 1 and number 2, pag nag-input ka ng halimbawa 8 and 4, so i-minus mismo niya. So magiging 4 siya. Tapos else if OP, tapos multiplication, tapos number 1 and number 2, yung number na i-input mo sa number 1 and 2 is i-multiply niya. Tapos else if OP, tas yung division, tas if number 2 is equals to 0, tas yung cout result niya is yung input mo ng madi-divide siya. Tas kung else naman, kung magiging 0, kung 0 yung i-divide mo, yung lilitaw is yung error division by 0 is not allowed. Tas yung lalabas lang is invalid operator. Invalid operator yung lalabas kung hindi naman is mag-input tayo ng number plus addition. 24. Ulit. Try naman natin yung subtraction. 30. 9. 2. So magiging 11 siya. Try naman natin yung division. 12 multiply by 2 is equals to 24. So multiply niya. Ito naman is 12 divide by 3. So lalabas yung 4. So ganun yung lumabas. So dito naman is yung kung paano lumitaw yung error na division of 0. 0 plus divide 3. You know. Plus divide ng 0. Yan. So, yun, dyan so lalabas. Pag yung 3 is dinivide mo siya ng 0, lalabas yung error division by 0 is not allowed. So, dito naman, pag invalid operator yung kung paano lalabas yung invalid operator. 12. Halimbawa, nagsulak ang K is 12. So, invalid operator ang lalabas. And that's all. Thank you for listening.